gonna try something a little different this morning. I'm gonna turn the camera on me while I'm driving out to the job. Don't normally do that just because can't get a real good view. But headed out this morning on this snowy morning. Picked up a couple more inches of snow last night. I mean, it's the high desert of Central Oregon. It happens. So, what are we doing today? I got a coil loaded up. I'm going to do a coil swap. This guy has the. I don't think I got any video of this first trip out here. He's got a Carrier heat pump with another company came out and diagnosed the leaky indoor coil. So I'm going to go out and swap it out. I was able to find a replacement. It's an old Carrier Infinity heat pump that's mated to a Aspen coil, and I looked it up. It was an AHRI match. So we're gonna swap it out with its updated version today, and I'll try to get you some shots. I don't know, they got kids and wife and stuff. It's a small house, so I don't know if I'll be able to get much for you, but I will try. See you out there. Okay guys, we're out here. So she is completely dead. So I'm gonna go inside and start working. Probably gonna have to do just silent narrative in there. I'll probably get my tripod set up and get you some shots in there. Alright guys, he's kind of farting around in the garage, so I'll be able to get you some good video here. I'm gonna cut him loose about there. Take my drain loose. Get this coil pulled out. Okay, she's off. I think my new coil's shorter. I couldn't find this one, so it'll be a little bit shorter in there. I'll have to piece in metal, but they're about 2.5 ton coils, so we're good. A little bit shorter. The other one's about like that. That doesn't work. Drill myself a hole in here somewhere. Alright, we got her in there. I'll just have to patch that when I'm done. I got sheet metal. I just drilled a hole out for him. Got my bulb pulled through. Let's go ahead and get these guys piped in. Got the old nitro out. Alright guys, I don't really have a good spot to set up my tripod, so I'm just going to have to get step by step here. So I got him piped in. He's kind of bent funny because I want it to miss the door. See, it gets pretty close there. He wasn't able to open and close his door before. So we're going to do it just like that. And the sensing bulb will go right here, 10 or 2 o'clock. Brace her up. Alright guys, got my vacuum pump going. Got a ways to go, as you can see. Here's my old little setup again with my old micron gauge. My old brute gauges. Alright, just plugging away guys. Got my sensing bulb on there. It wants you to put it at 10 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Looks like about 2 o'clock to me. 1:30. I'm going to put this metal on, and then I'm going to wrap this up and make it look all nice. Then I'll work on the drain. Pretty much just dumping the charge in once it's pulled back. Easy stuff. Not really much to these. Tape this up all nice so it doesn't whistle. There we go guys. Got her all nice and taped up good. Got my line all insulated and taped up and wire tied real nice. That's what you want it to look like. You know, we're kind of putting lipstick on a pig here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my drain tied in, and we'll go outside and see what our vacuum pump looks like. Put a fresh filter in there too for him. All right, drain's done. Everything's done inside. I did put Teflon tape on the threads. They say you don't have to, but I do. Looking pretty good. I know, just a simple job. I'll probably come back in the springtime and do a maintenance for him. Get that pad changed, that humidifier. Make sure the pump's working and everything before he starts running the AC. But I'm here to put a new coil in today. I'll probably check the pump too, what the heck. But Got a new filter in there for him. I'll get one of my stickers on there. Let's go out to the outdoor unit. All right, now we're done. So I put a nice piece of mastic tape across the bottom, across the top. I even did the seam here on this door because they will whistle and lose a little bit of air. So it's all good. Now let's go outside. We got a ways to go. 1500. I'm gonna check one of my hoses and see if one of my hoses leaks. Well, just waiting on the, I gotta shave again. I'm not a beard guy. I shouldn't be anyway. Just waiting on the vacuum pump. I just put fresh oil in it, but you know, it takes a little bit longer when it's cold. I let my pump get cold, so I'm not in any big hurry. Just went and got myself a Java, try to keep myself warm. It was about 9 degrees this morning, so that's good. Should be just about there though. I had to hide somebody else from the channel today. It just seems like every time they make a comment, it's something negative. And I've said it a billion times, I just don't want that on my channel. So they're hid for now. I can always unhide them. I'm sure they'll use a fake name and try to get on and say mean and rude, ignorant stuff mainly. But I know a lot of you don't like to tune into HVAC channels and hear that stuff. But man, just you're not in my shoes. Quit being a know-it-all and tell me what I should or shouldn't do. This is all for entertainment. So anyway, let's see what our vacuum pump looks like. Ah, there we go. She's looking pretty good, huh? Give it a little bit longer. Let's drop her down to about 300 or so, and then we'll do a DK test and see where we're at. I know, guys, I'm going through my gauges. I know. Hoping to get a better setup before springtime, but it's what I got for now, and it's what I use. All right, guys, we had a good vac. Held under 500 for about 10 minutes. I was able to suck about 6 pounds 11 in it. I'm going to run it in cooling now for a minute to get that last 4 pounds in her, and then we'll switch her over to heat. All right, guys, she's running. I just got her weighed in. I've let the customer know that I'm going to come back in the springtime and fine-tune the charge. Like I said, just weighed in for the length right now. She don't sound the healthiest, but she's running. Suction's getting nice and warm, nice and hot. I'm going to give it a little bit just to make sure that we got a nice hot coil, and we'll call this one good. That's the unit. And that's a wrap for today. As soon as I come over this ridge here, sorry guys, just singing. I didn't realize I had the camera on. Having a great day behind this slow truck here. But as soon as we get over this ridge, I'm gonna turn the camera back on and show you some of the beautiful mountains if I get the phone turned the right way. All right, guys, here we go up over the hill. Let's see if I can pass this other semi up here. I should be able to. If I keep this speed. Oh yeah, we'll get it. Let's get over. Alright. Coming over to some beauty over here. Hold on a sec. No, I'm not speeding. I'm going 59 and a 55. Check it out. Here we go. Coming up over the ridge. Let's see if we can see. Well, it's kind of cloudy over there by the mountain still, but let's see if we can get it. Come on, baby. Pick my phone up for you if I could. Yeah, I'm gonna pick my phone up. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Let's go back out a little bit here. Well, I wanted to get you some good views of the Three Sisters, but I can't do it and drive at the same time. And these buttons on this damn phone are way too touchy. But anyway, I'm all hopped up on caffeine, if you can't tell, and heading back to the homestead and take care of some paperwork. And I'll go pick up my little one here in a little bit. But yeah, just a quick coil replacement. The thing purred like a kitten when I was done. I let the customer know I'm going back in the springtime to double check the charge and fine tune it. So that's all there is to that. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and be safe out there.